Okay, so financing. What are some financing options available for new construction?
So we have various lenders. Obviously, we always try first with our sister company, DHI Mortgage, and we definitely have the most competitive interest rates in the market right now with that particular company. But let's say, for example, you have an investor or someone, a foreign national that you're working with. We have other preferred lenders that we can work with as well, which is PRMG and Home Financing Center.
Okay, perfect. And you're okay with outside lenders?
The buyer can work with the outside lender. Our incentives are tied to working with our preferred lenders.
Okay, that was a big inspection.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but in order to have these incentives, our preferred lenders are the ones that we need to work with. Yes.
So how does the builder handle any construction delays on the issues that may come up for the buyer?
So in our contracts, normally we do have an estimated closing date, correct? If for whatever reason we do have any permitting issues, our contracts say that we can definitely, we have up to 2 years to deliver the home. So if for whatever reason we need to extend the date, we can. Now, in the past when we've had issues, we've always tried to, help the clients as much as we possibly can, because we know that it's definitely inconvenient.
What about after they purchase? Have you get purchased maybe after a couple months?
If they purchase, they have the renewable warranties. So as soon as they close, that goes into effect and they're taken care of. So they're not, they're not moving into their new home without any assistance, any guidance. So they have their warranty department, and if there's any repairs that need to be done, they can go onto that link that I told you, drhorton.com/warranties. They, put their address in, they put all their contact information, what is wrong or what repair needs, and usually within 24 hours time, they will call them, see what's going on, and send out the specific trade that is needed at that time.
Nice.
So that's fantastic.
Pretty good.
Yeah, you can pretty much tell.
Yeah, I think
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Incentive. Are there any special incentives or promotions for the buyer, especially for first
Yes, there is. And the current incentives that we are giving up to the 31st of this year are up to $35,000 for a home that will close in February, late February, which is a great amount for someone coming in, to a brand new home, and they only have to come in with their deposit. Because if they would be working with an outside lender or, general real estate, they would be paying for those amounts themselves. Those closing costs and the deposit closing costs. So it's a huge help. Their down payment and and some closing costs that are not covered by either the realtor or the seller, which are the reserves.
Are there any restrictions or modifications or changes that the buyer can make?
No, what they see is what they would see.
Okay.
Yeah, it's as is.
Do you know where the essential property tax is?
Currently, they are estimating a 1.5%. Okay. We are in unincorporated. This particular community in Rosemont is in a unincorporated Miami-Dade County area, so the estimates that we have received are 1.5%. There's also no flood here.
Oh yes, that's good.
That's an important.
Miami.
Yes, that's a super important point. So you're looking at the fact that you are to quote in this construction. Just the insurance itself is going to be a lot than yeah.